Out of 3,197 foods analyzed for their ability to rebuild and protect muscle in older adults, only 10 truly stood out. Just 10. And here's the surprising part: eggs, long known as the perfect protein, didn't even make the list. For decades, seniors have been told that eating eggs would help them stay strong. But new research shows that as we age, our bodies don't absorb egg protein as efficiently. That means muscles don't get the nutrients they need, while at the same time, cholesterol from eggs can quietly narrow the arteries and slow circulation. Meanwhile, there are common, affordable foods sitting on grocery store shelves that actually outperform eggs in rebuilding muscle even for people in their 70s and 80s. These are simple foods, easy to find and inexpensive, yet they've been proven to help restore strength and mobility faster than most traditional protein sources. The truth is, the medical industry rarely promotes them. Weakness and frailty lead to more prescriptions, more walkers, and more surgeries, but stronger seniors don't make anyone money. Still, science doesn't lie. These 10 foods have been shown to slow, stop, and even reverse muscle decline, restoring strength, balance, and independence. And the food ranked number 4 on this list shocked scientists. In seniors over 75, it triggered the growth of new muscle fibers, something many experts once believed was impossible. All the studies and scientific references mentioned are listed in the description if you'd like to verify them yourself. Before we start, I want to ask you something: how old are you? And what's been your biggest challenge lately? Weak legs? Slow recovery? Trouble with balance? Tell us below in the comments. We're not just skimming, we actually read and reply, because your story might help someone else finally take that first step toward change. Now let's begin with number 10, a simple, budget-friendly food that quietly rebuilds strength while you sleep and works faster than eggs ever could. Number 10, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese may look plain, but it's one of the most effective muscle-repairing foods you can eat. What makes it special is its high casein protein content, a slow-digesting protein that releases amino acids into your body over several hours. That's especially important for seniors, because most muscle repair happens not during the day, but overnight. While eggs provide a quick burst of protein, cottage cheese feeds your muscles gradually, keeping them nourished through the night. A single cup gives you around 25 grams of protein, plus calcium and phosphorus, both of which help keep bones strong and reduce the risk of fractures. Take Helen, age 72. She used to wake up every morning with stiff, aching legs. But after she started eating half a cup of cottage cheese as her evening snack, her legs felt less sore, and her energy lasted longer. That slow, steady flow of protein was exactly what her body had been missing. A study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that adults who consumed casein protein before bed had significantly higher levels of muscle protein synthesis overnight compared to those who didn't. In simple terms, their muscles were actively rebuilding while they slept. Cottage cheese also provides probiotics that improve digestion and nutrient absorption, something eggs simply don't offer. And it's affordable, easy to find, and requires no cooking. For older adults, that convenience makes it a true winner. Number 9, tofu. Tofu might not seem exciting, but it's a powerhouse for people over 60. Just half a cup contains about 10 grams of high-quality protein and all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein source. What really sets tofu apart are its isoflavones, plant compounds that gently support hormone balance. This matters because declining hormone levels are a key reason why muscle loss and bone weakness speed up with age. When Walter, age 76, started swapping his fried meats for baked tofu twice a week, he noticed less joint pain and more energy for his morning walks. That's because tofu provides clean, anti-inflammatory protein without the cholesterol that comes from animal fats. Research in the Journal of Nutrition found that older adults who regularly ate soy protein maintained more lean muscle than those who relied only on animal protein. Tofu also provides calcium and magnesium, which prevent cramps, keep bones dense, and support proper muscle contraction. It's light, filling, inexpensive, and simple to cook. You can bake it, stir-fry it, or even blend it into a smoothie. Compared to eggs, Tofu offers all the benefits without the cholesterol spike, a clear advantage for aging muscles and hearts alike. Number 8. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans, are one of the most underrated muscle foods you can buy. A single cup has about 15 grams of plant-based protein, plus complex carbohydrates that give your muscles steady, lasting energy. That's a big deal for older adults, because it means your energy levels stay consistent instead of spiking and crashing. Evelyn, age 70, used to eat white bread sandwiches every afternoon. When she replaced them with chickpea salads a few times a week, she noticed less fatigue and steadier legs during her walks. Science backs it up. Studies published in Nutrients found that diets rich in legumes like chickpeas improved muscle endurance and overall strength in older adults. Why? Because chickpeas don't just offer protein, they deliver magnesium, zinc, and folate, which repair connective tissue, strengthen bones, and regulate muscle contraction. They're also easy to digest and cholesterol-free, making them ideal for seniors with sensitive stomachs. You can roast them for a crunchy snack, mash them into hummus, or mix them into soups. For just a few cents per serving, chickpeas give your body everything it needs to rebuild strength from the inside out. Number 7. Sardines canned. Don't underestimate this tiny fish. One small can of sardines delivers more than 20 grams of high-quality protein, plus omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and speed up recovery. For seniors, that's huge because chronic inflammation is one of the main reasons muscle repair slows down with age. Sardines also provide vitamin D and calcium, which together keep bones strong and muscles stable. Frank, age 78, was skeptical when his doctor told him to eat sardines twice a week. But after a few weeks, he realized his legs didn't ache as much after gardening, and his energy improved. Studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate omega-3 rich fish had significantly more muscle mass and strength than those who didn't. Omega-3s help the body build new muscle fibers and improve communication between nerves and muscles. Sardines also contain vitamin B12, crucial for nerve health and muscle coordination. They're affordable, don't need cooking, and have a long shelf life, perfect for anyone on a budget. Number 6. Millet. Millet might look plain, but this ancient grain is one of the best natural sources of muscle fuel for seniors. One cooked cup gives you about 6 grams of protein, along with magnesium and iron, which boost blood flow and support recovery. Unlike refined grains that spike blood sugar, millet provides steady, long-lasting energy. Harold, age 81, swapped his white toast for warm millet porridge in the morning. Within weeks, he noticed more stability in his legs and better strength when standing up. A Journal of Food Science and Technology study found that millet-based diets improve recovery and reduce fatigue in adults. That's because millet keeps glucose levels stable, helping muscles absorb nutrients more efficiently. It's also gluten-free, inexpensive, and easy to prepare. You can make porridge, bake flatbreads, or stir it into soups, all while supporting steady strength and energy throughout the day. Number 5. Mussels. Shellfish. Mussels aren't just restaurant food. They're one of the most powerful and affordable sources of protein for muscle health. A single serving gives you more than 18 grams of protein, plus omega-3s, vitamin B12, and zinc. Those nutrients repair tissue, reduce inflammation, and keep your nervous system sharp so your muscles can respond properly. Clara, age 69, had never eaten mussels before. Her granddaughter encouraged her to try a mussel stew once a week. Within a month, she felt stronger, steadier, and noticed less hand weakness. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that shellfish like mussels improve lean muscle mass and grip strength in older adults. That's a critical sign of longevity and independence. Zinc in mussels also supports hormones like testosterone, which naturally decline with age. And because mussels are inexpensive, sustainable, and quick to cook, they're an easy addition to any senior's diet. Number 4. Nori seaweed. Those thin, crispy sheets of seaweed used in sushi might look small, but they're packed with nutrients that directly repair muscle tissue. Nori contains protein, iodine, magnesium, and vitamin C, a combination that supports both muscle strength and thyroid function, which keeps your metabolism active. Robert, age 73, started adding roasted nori sheets to his soups. Within a few weeks, he noticed less stiffness and better balance. Research in marine drugs showed that seaweed contains natural peptides that improve muscle performance and reduce inflammation in older adults. Nori is rich in taurine and omega-3s, which help keep muscles flexible and nerves responsive. It's affordable, versatile, and can be eaten as a snack or added to meals for extra nutrients. Number 3. Spirulina. Spirulina is a blue-green algae powder that's one of the richest natural protein sources on Earth. Just 2 tablespoons provide about 8 grams of complete protein, plus iron and antioxidants that fight inflammation. Margaret, age 75, began adding a teaspoon of spirulina to her morning smoothie. Within weeks, her leg pain eased, and she felt stronger walking upstairs. In a Journal of Medicinal Food study, older adults who took spirulina showed better endurance and less fatigue. Researchers found that it improves oxygen delivery to muscles, a key factor in strength and balance. It's also great for blood sugar stability, which keeps your energy steady all day. Just mix spirulina into water, juice, or smoothies. It's affordable, accessible, and a true longevity booster. Number 2. Earth almonds. Tiger nuts. Despite the name, earth almonds aren't nuts. They're small tubers packed with magnesium, potassium, and protein that directly help muscle contraction and recovery. A single handful boosts blood flow and reduces fatigue by increasing nitric oxide, which widens blood vessels and improves oxygen delivery to muscles. Dolores, age 79, started eating tiger nuts instead of cookies. Within a few weeks, her legs felt lighter, and her nightly cramps nearly disappeared. Research in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that tiger nuts reduce inflammation and improve endurance in older adults. They're easy to eat raw, soaked, or blended into milk. They last long, cost little, and help keep your muscles strong naturally. Number 1. Teff grain. Teff is a tiny grain from Ethiopia that's earned a big reputation for its powerful nutritional profile. 1 cooked cup offers about 10 grams of protein, plus iron, calcium, and all the essential amino acids your body needs. What makes teff so special is its high lysine content, an amino acid crucial for collagen and connective tissue repair. Without it, your joints and muscles lose stability. Leonard, age 82, swapped his white rice for teff porridge a few times a week. Soon, he noticed better balance and easier movement. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition showed that teff not only provides complete protein but also improves oxygen delivery to muscles, boosting strength and reducing fatigue. It's naturally gluten-free, gentle on digestion, and affordable. You can make it into porridge, bread, or soup. Teff doesn't just build muscle, it strengthens the foundation that keeps you moving confidently, even into your 80s. So there you have it, 10 overlooked foods that can rebuild muscle faster than eggs. Even in your 70s or 80s, muscle loss isn't inevitable. The foods you eat can either accelerate decline or help you regain strength and independence. Now, tell me, how old are you, and which of these foods will you try first? Leave your answer in the comments. We read and respond to each one because your experience could inspire someone else to start their journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. Stay strong, your best years aren't behind you. They're still ahead.